this is Sai Sashwati and I'm a legal intern at LexClick. So today I will talk about the Nestle and its CSR policy, and I'll discuss about something about the Maggie's case that was related to Nestle. We know that Nestle is a very giant company where Nestle is the world's leading nutrition and health and wellness of the company. There are about 33,000 of employees working under Nestle. Nestle is an MNC which operates more than 83 countries, which have more than 461 factories all over the world. Nestle usually operates in the developing nations, and 50% of its plants really operates in the developing countries. Nestle claims to protect the trust of customers and stakeholders with a strong principle. The principle and their related policies concerned with action related to consumer, human rights and labor practices, employees, suppliers and customers, and the environment. Nestle performs within the secondary sector of industry, producing and distributing its products among the customer. It transfers raw material of the company and sell it in the market. Company purchase the raw materials from the primary sector. For example, Nestle purchased cocoa directly from the farmers at all its plants and use it to make products such as KitKat, Oreo, and Smarties. The companies claim that by doing this, they help to increase the profit of the farmers as well as it ensure the good quality of the product so that it can be sell to the consumers. Nestle is a company work more in the developing countries. Thus, it becomes very responsible to coexist with the core value of its stakeholder, and at the same time to enrich the nature. This concept refers as creating shared value. Nestle tend to work with creating shared value, which includes the following international law, code,